Here at Black Sheep Vets, our hospital specialises in providing complete 24-hour wraparound care for all the pets and pet owners of East Lincolnshire. We also provide a referral service for things like dermatology cases, behavioural cases and orthopaedic cases, where the 24-hour service means we can provide a really high standard of care for those cases from other vet practices. When it came to choosing our practice management software and choosing the IDEXX software particularly, we'd looked at a lot of different systems that were out there. And the main things that were really important to us were a really good integration with the various different companies that are out there, whether that's a laboratory, a PACT system or a client communication tool. It's also really important to me to be very efficient behind the scenes. So our reminders, our client communication, all of those things happen seamlessly and integrated and means we save a lot of time.
I completely understand how terrifying it is to switch your PMS. It's like one of the biggest things you can do in practice. Our ezyVet implementation was slightly different to what other practices would experience because we have a 24-hour team. So we have a day team, a night team, and trying to train and support both areas is really difficult. But the best thing was the implementers. They just come in and really support the teams. And I think that really helped the team just feel like they had that safety net of if they did something wrong, the implementers would be able to fix it for them, teach them how to do it correctly. It was just a massive comfort blanket for everyone.
We had a team come over from ezyVet. They stayed with us for a week, and the idea was that we just tried to use it and they were there to ask. So it was fantastic because learning on the job is a very veterinarian thing to do anyway. So it actually suited a lot of the skills and the personalities of the people we had in. The team responded to the change really well. I think they felt really prepared and then supported throughout the process. I can't fault that implementation, it was really good.
One of the ways that we integrate ezyVet in our system that makes us perhaps different to other practices is how we integrate the AI system, particularly things like scribing tools. And as time is developing, ezyVet are starting to implement some of those directly into the system, as well as the ability to combine that with other third-party applications. And it makes our workflow much smoother because we can then spend less time doing admin and more time actually giving clinical care to patients.
We were really excited when IDEXX launched InView. We have a dermatology specialist in-house and she does a lot of ear cytology, so having the InView just add into the in-house laboratory suite, we just couldn't resist it really.
VetConnect Plus also integrates really well with ezyVet. The external labs used to come onto us via an email, and what happens now is it goes straight onto the client's file. We get that notice in the diagnostic results saying, do you want to report it? It's attached to that file, but in the history, and you can see them comparatively next to previous results as well. You can literally see the trends.
One of the things we found really useful was the amount of report generation that we could create. Some of the other systems we'd used had a very basic reporting system. The ezyVet system was pretty much bespoke and we could create whatever we wanted to. We could automate the delivery of that, so that was a huge big standout for us. The Vet Radar system and how we could incorporate that into our emergency practice and link that with the emergency to the daytime practice so that the case continuity was great. The mischarging was something that had bothered us with every other system, and now we could completely eliminate that for our hospitalised patients by combining Vet Radar with ezyVet. It's really important for us to have a support from a company like IDEXX, particularly in the after-sales side of a diagnostic system and a practice management system. It was one of our choosing factors when we looked at systems to know that there was a company who had been there for a period of time and was going to support us over the next 10 or 15 years as the technology evolves, as AI comes into the world, and as we have problems.
I would recommend ezyVet to another veterinary clinic. In fact, I have done. I have a friend who's a practice manager and owner in Cumbria. They moved to a different cloud-based PIMS. They weren't happy with the support, they weren't happy with the whole implementation, and I said, give ezyVet a try. Call IDEXX, see what they've got to offer you, and they made that massive decision to move again to a different PMS system, and they're really happy with it, so yeah.